three kinds of negative thinking and how they all aren't negative. Nowadays, negative thinking is often criticized, even demonized. However, what that term means is often left unspecified. Broadly, it can encompass three things: thinking about negative realities, thinking about negative possibilities, and having a negative mentality. Let's consider these one by one. Thinking about negative realities. Such thinking can decrease our tendency to complain. If we have seen and contemplated a starving child rummaging through a garbage heap for something edible, we are less likely to gripe about our dessert not being tasty enough. Dwelling on negative realities can keep us aware of twin truths. The world is filled with many distresses, and we are so fortunate to not be subjected to many of them. Keeping these truths in mind can make us less fretful and more grateful. Thinking about negative possibilities, pondering how things can go wrong, how things may go wrong, can prepare us for emergencies. If we have considered the possibility of our laptop crashing, we are more likely to take regular backup of our data, thus avoiding much trouble when it crashes. Many negative possibilities may never happen, but some will. And when they happen, our having thought about them beforehand will minimize the damage. When we have prepared for them. Having a negative mentality, if we tend to think obsessively about negative realities or negative possibilities without channeling those thoughts constructively, that mentality is unhealthy. Beyond such negative contemplation, if we further gravitate towards negative emotions such as loneliness, inferiority, self-pity, frustration, resentment, that leaves us discouraged, distressed, depressed. When we have a habitual negative mentality, just seeing someone happy makes us unhappy. Our thoughts make us miserable and we make others miserable. Such a compulsive negative mentality is reproached in the Bhagavad Gita, where it is deemed as indicative of a profound level of ignorance, wherein even the intelligence is penetrated and permeated with ignorance. Ya swapnam bhayam shokam vishadam madameva cha na vimunchati durmedha dhruti sapartha tamasi. In 1835, the Gita says, na vimunchati durmedha. When one can't stop thinking about negatives, that is unfortunate. Needless to say, a negative mentality needs to be countered, and it can be countered by associating with positive people and by consciously directing our thoughts along productive avenues. So, to summarize, not all negative thinking is undesirable. Thinking about negative realities can foster gratitude. Thinking about negative possibilities can increase preparedness. Having a negative mentality can breed unhappiness.